Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, a little bit different. I want to tell you how to make it on freaking YouTube, how to make it on Twitch, how to do anything. First, foremost, quit. Alright, well if you stuck through that, then you're on your way. Like, that's all I can say. Honestly, do you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7? Do you need like all these cameras? Do you need a $400 microphone? Do you need all this rigging and all this lighting? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. I have lights everywhere. Do you need all this stuff that I've collected? No. Do you need all these tools? No. If you just want to make it on YouTube, if you just want to get out there and make videos and so forth, just get out there and make videos. Literally, that's my #1 tip. Just do it. Just make videos. This is all you need. A phone. Literally. And especially with the new ones right now. I remember looking back on my first videos that I used on iPhone, and I think I used iMovie to make the videos, and listening back on that, the one thing that I will tell you that you should probably need if you're going to make videos and you want people to see it and enjoy it is sound. Like sound, a good microphone, a good lav mic. Don't use the stock stuff that's on the phone, even on the cameras. Cameras, the microphones, they sound like crap. Cameras are not made to make video. Cameras are made to take some video and mostly pictures. Most of the time they suck. This microphone right here, which is the Rode NTG Go, I believe, it wasn't even purchased for this purpose. It was purchased for my camera rig for when I travel and stuff, but I played around with it and everyone seems to love the way that it sounds. I love the way that it catches my voice. It travels. It's easy maintenance. That's all I can end up saying. Next, over time, as you grow, as you thrive, you can pick up a good camera. You can get free software for your computer. Editing is going to be your nightmare, but your biggest holdback for most people is going to be one, editing, hearing yourself back, and then you speaking. It's going to be awkward that you're talking to a lens like it's a person. And sometimes I really think you have to have something psychologically wrong to be comfortable talking to a camera. I've been doing this off and on for 10 years. Do I have a huge amount of subscribers? No. I make content that I like, that I enjoy, that I would end up watching. I don't do the AMSR snap builds, speed builds, things like that. I have tried to make those kind of videos and I get maybe 15-20% into editing it and I go, delete. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of work to make those videos, like no kidding. And so I give nothing but props to the people that do end up making those videos. Everyone that has their own little forms of content and everything, it's a niche that you will get into, that you will get comfortable with. And don't expect, especially nowadays, because there are so many people on the platforms, don't expect to be growing. Expect to spend weeks with 0 subscribers. Expect people to come by in your comment section and go, this sucks. This content sucks. One, you can listen to your viewers when they give you good feedback and stuff, and take that in consideration. People will tell you, hey, your sound could be better. Hey, your visuals could be better. Your color could be better. Take that into consideration for future videos. Those other people, take their comments as a plus to your channel because that adds to your analytics. That's someone that clicked on your video. That's someone that ended up making a comment. That's someone that gave the analytics a bump because maybe they thumbs downed it. That's still a positive. Those other people, how many of them have their own channels? How many of them even make their own content? Have even made one video? What, 0? You're ahead of them. You're ahead of the game on that. You're making your own content. You're putting yourself out there. You will get used to hearing your own voice. It's your voice. Everyone in the world hears your voice. But when you hear it back in your ears when you're editing, you're going to go, Jesus, what is that? What I sound like? And you will fix some of the things with your mannerisms, how you speak, things that you say. If there's one thing of advice I can give, which I am horrible of, I can't tell you how many times I edit out in my videos, is and that's the way my brain works. I'm dyslexic. I have issues. I know I have issues. And I say a lot because it gives that split second for my brain to process what needs to come out properly next. But that's me. And I do my best to try and edit it out. Be honest. Be yourself. Do what you enjoy. Don't force yourself to make content that you don't want to like because Jake Paul, this person, that person is making videos. Don't do it. Do what you know, do what you enjoy, and move on. People will come. People will, don't spam your stuff all over the place. You can post it to your Twitter, you can post it to your Facebook, things like that, but don't go around to every channel or do not go to other channels. Hey, check out my video, guys, and dropping a link. You'll get banned from that channel and no one's going to click on it. Period. That's not how it ends up working. There's still stuff that I'm working on. Titles. I'm horrible at titles. They say, oh, make titles that are catchy and grab people and drag them in. I'm horrible at that. And I think that's the honesty part of my thing. This is what I'm doing. That would be my advice for you guys. Just do it. Just turn on a camera, turn on whatever, make a video, go from there. If you're nervous about it, use Instagram, make some stories on there. You'll get used to it. Use that as your gateway drug or gateway into YouTube, into Twitch. Me streaming, like I just started streaming to Twitch last week. I've been streaming to YouTube for about a year and I fell in love with it. And you know what? It was an accident. It was laziness. I want to make long form content of me working on whatever, but I didn't want to edit because I wanted to show people the whole process and no one wants to sit through an hour and a half of working on something. Streaming was a complete accident. And now I'm completely pleased because I'll have 30 to maximum 60 people coming in the stream and that tickles me to death. If you start streaming, one person comes by and don't go after if someone comes by and they're watching, you see a viewer, but they're not making a comment, don't push them to try and make a comment. Sometimes people just lurk. I still have in my streams like 30 viewers, but only 6 people are talking, and 6 people of those I've made friends with and they're members of the channel and so forth. And I know them now. I've become friends with them. The other people, they're just there for the content. They're just there for the support. They may never comment, and that's okay. We love them. A lot of people aren't subscribed to your channel. A majority, if you look at your analytics, a majority of people that end up watching your channel are not subscribed, and they probably won't subscribe. They may be a one-time thing. It is what it is. Don't let numbers get to your head. Don't let you have a bump in videos or a bump in views get to your head. Just keep doing what you do. Do what you're comfortable with. Let it flow out naturally. Don't force it. Don't try and take on a persona. Don't try and emulate someone that you really like on YouTube or on a format because it's fake and it's not you. Just do you. And with that, I'm out. Thank you guys. Peace. See you in the next one.